Installation of TY11 sliding Blackboard cabinet with 4 elements for integrating with interactive panel. The assembling and mounting component has 4 outer frame ABS corners. Upper sliding pulleys for PCs. Lower sliding blocks for PCs. For *10 rivets, 1 pack. For *16 rivets, 1 pack. For left-right side ceiling corners. For hash mounting accessory, 8 pieces. Lock 1 set. Rubber limit switch 1 PCs. 8*12 expansion bolts 6 PCs. 1 hash mounting accessory 6 PCs. Dust boxes to PCs. Limit switch to PCs. 2 handles. Pack of 4 *16 rivets. Brown rivets 1 pack. An electric hammer for installing 1 PCs with 1 12mm drill bits. Electric drill 1 PCs with 1 4.2mm drill bit. Riveting gun. Infrared level. T-sleeve. Assembling process. Take to PCS of vertical frames. Assemble to cabinet corners at both ends of the vertical frame. Drill holes at both ends of vertical frames with an electric drill. Fix them by rivets with a rivet gun. Use for *10 rivets. Take to sliding elements. For upper sliding pulleys. Installed on the top of the movable element. Drill the hole with an electric drill. Fixed by 4 *16 rivets. For PCS of below sliding blocks. Installed sliding blocks under the movable element. Take the top and bottom horizontal frames. Attach them to one side of assembled vertical frame. Push sliding element inside from one side. Fix the other vertical frame. Drill holes in fixed vertical frame by electric drill. Take to fixed elements. Assemble them on both sides of sliding elements in cabinet frame. Fix them by 4 hash mounting accessory. After the assembling, install the lock on position of lock hole. Fix it by screwdriver. The latch is installed on one side of the lock. Fix with a rivet gun. Install the upper and lower baffles on the upper and lower sides of the movable plate. Fix baffles with 4 hash accessories. Measure the height and position for sliding cabinet according to the size of the TV. And calculate. Use a level to make sure the line exactly horizontal. Use a meter stick to measure the 3 points in same level. Use an electric hammer to punch holes for pudding. 1 hash mounting accessory. Fix expansion screws to the wall. Install 1 hash mounting accessory according to Blackboard height. Place sliding Blackboard cabinet on 1 hash mounting accessory. Open sliding element. Mounting top and bottom baffle. Fix them with 4*16 rivets. Find the position of the hole under lower horizontal frame. The holes are fixed with 4*16 rivets. Assemble dust box there. Assemble limit switch in middle of upper frame and both sides of upper frame. Install the handle under the lock of sliding element frame. About 5 centimeters from handle to lock, fixed handle with 4*16 rivets. Install side ceilings, drill holes and fix them. Installation process is completed now. Self-inspect and deliver after installation. Let's take a look. This is the overall effect after assembling and mounting.